all well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm coming at you with a Lush Q&A video. I'm not gonna lie, I tend to do these once every few months because I get a lot of Lush questions, especially over on my Instagram, which is where you guys can be involved in these kinds of videos. It is just Melody Collis, the same as on YouTube, and it's in the description. But I get so many questions, I find it hard to answer, so I like to do this kind of video every few months just so general questions can get answered. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Get yourselves a coffee. I do actually have my very own iced coffee here ready for the video. It's just a caramel one in case you were wondering. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Oh, so good. The first question is, why is Lush so expensive? And to put it simply, it's very expensive because the products that they source are expensive. They're very high quality, they're sourced in an ethical way, which does cost a lot of money. That is why it's expensive. I will admit that a lot of products have gone up over the years. I guess that is to do with general economy pricing. I don't know. Did you just hit my throat then? Turtle burp, I do apologise. But yeah, I guess it's because of obviously the economy's prices rising. I guess they have to compare to that. I don't really know how it works, but yeah, it's mainly because the ingredients are genuinely quite expensive. The next question is, which is your favourite lip scrub and how many do you have? I would say I have about 12 in my collection, which is a lot. I know it's kind of excessive, but I do buy them when I do the haul videos, and my favourite is probably the unicorn one, the toffee apple one, or the watermelon one. They're all so good. The next question is, what is one product you would recommend for somebody buying from Lush for the first time? Now that's really hard because it depends if you like baths, showers, hair care and that kind of thing, but if we're going to go generically that you have, you know, you're happy to go for anything, I would go for a bath bomb, and I would probably go for something like Dragon's Egg or maybe Intergalactic or something really fun and really exciting, something like that, just so you get the whole experience of the creativity from Lush and that kind of thing. So yeah, I would go for a bath bomb, but Dragon's Egg is so good. The next question is, what liquid conditioner would you recommend for somebody with thin and dry ends? Now, I completely understand where you're coming from. I've got very thin and dry ends. As you guys can see, my hair is so super thin and dry. I am due a haircut next week, so that'll be very exciting. But I would have to say Candy Rain, I think. I personally would always use an oil anyway. Every time I wash my hair, I will always put conditioner on it, and then once it's nearly dry, I'll put an oil on it. I use the Olaplex ones, and I have a few others that I really enjoy. But yeah, Candy Rain is very, very good for dry hair. I really, really like it. The next question is, what is your least favourite Lush product ever? Now, if you guys have seen my the worst Lush products ever videos, I have done many of those over the years, and I have quite a few things I don't enjoy. But my least favourite product ever would have to be the Aquamarina cleanser. It smells like fish, it looks like sushi, and it just makes me feel really uneasy and so not my favourite. I absolutely hate it. The next question is, did you hear all current Lush body sprays will be getting discontinued? Should we panic / are you panicking? Now, I haven't heard that, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not gonna panic about it. I have about 8 body sprays at the moment, which is quite a lot, so I am getting through them slowly but surely, and I really, really love them all, but they are a very expensive product from Lush that I feel like I don't need to panic buy, because they're probably going to be releasing something new, maybe some new scents, maybe some new packaging, I don't know, but I wouldn't panic. They're probably going to release other ones, I'm sure. The next question is, any recommendations for somebody with eczema? I'm asking for my son, and absolutely. So I would definitely say the Dream Cream body lotion 100% is absolutely brilliant for eczema. Obviously each to their own, and please use it with a bit of caution, because I don't want to go telling you to use it and it make your skin worse. So definitely go into the store, ask for a sample, pop it on a tiny bit of the area that's kind of sore, and just see how your skin reacts to it. But also the Ceridwen's Cauldron Bath Oil is brilliant. So yeah, those two products are amazing. Definitely great for people with eczema, psoriasis, sensitive skin, dry skin. It's just brilliant. The next question is, if you could only have one Lush item in your collection, what would it be? And I would have to say the new shampoo bar, simply because I've used it for so many years now and I don't think I could be without it. But if I was allowed a couple more, I would say new shampoo bar, Roots hair treatment, mask of Magdaminty. Those are probably my top 3. So yeah, those 3, but new shampoo bar if I could only pick one. The next question is, are solid body conditioners better than the ones in the tubs? I'm personally more of a tub gal. I find that solids I always end up leaving like on the bath side or in the shower. and they just melt and go soft and go gross. So I do prefer the tub ones. However, if you were going to go travelling or anything like that, I don't see anything wrong with the solids. It's just personal preference. I prefer the tubs. The next question is, love the channel. Is big good for colour treated hair? So thank you so much, and thank you for watching and subscribing. Your support means everything. Big shampoo, is it good for colour treated hair? I personally would say it's not the best, only because it's very, very highly concentrated with sea salt. So if your hair is pink, blue, green, purple, or anything in between, it will contribute to the colour stripping. However, if you use permanent colour, or if your hair is bleached, it's not going to affect it really, because it's not going to strip out as much, and obviously bleached hair you don't strip out anyway. So I would just say use it with your own caution. Get a sample and try it. Maybe try it on a small area. Obviously don't shampoo your ends anyway, but just try it in a small area and see what happens. But I don't think it's that bad. I've used it before and I've had many a hair colour and never had a problem. So the next question is, do the shampoo bars dry your hair out? And this is very hard to say because it completely depends on your hair type. For me, my hair is fine, it's dry, it's curly, and I've never had a problem with them drying my hair out. So I think it just depends on your hair type. And I would always say that with like shampoo, skincare, stuff like that, never go with what smells nice. You want to go for something that works for your hair type that you also like the smell of. So go in, ask for a consultation through the shampoo bars, and just find something that works the best for you. And yeah, it's amazing. The next question is, what is the best product for acne prone skin? Now, I personally would go for something like Mask of Magnaminty or the Fresh Pharmacy facial soap, something like that that's really clarifying, really cleansing, and then just make sure that you're following it up with maybe some tea tree oil on the areas that are kind of acne prone. Obviously I'm not a doctor, so I don't know whether that would work. However, when I have kind of a flare up of breakouts, I get them on my forehead. I don't really know what it's from, but every so often I do get like a rash on my forehead. I always use Mask of Magnaminty, maybe Fresh Pharmacy, tea tree oil, and I just keep my face as fresh as possible, and that seems to work. So give those a try, and hopefully they work out for you. The next question is, are you going to get anything from the Christmas range in July? Now, I feel like I've missed something. Is there going to be a Christmas range in July? Have I missed something? Have I completely missed something? Because I just did my Lush kitchen box and I was really confused because there was a lot of Christmas products in there. I'm going to Google it. Hang on. Oh, I see. It's because in Australia, it's obviously winter. Okay. That makes sense now. I was highly confused. Back to the question. I probably won't buy anything simply because I'm excited for Christmas in December. I'm happy to wait. I don't really want to buy products unnecessarily, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm probably going to wait and I probably won't buy anything. But if you buy anything, let me know down below. I would love to know. So the next question is, what are your top 3 shower gels that aren't discontinued and that are currently on the website? I am just having a look on there now, and I would have to say Rose Jam, Sleepy, and Honey I Wash the Kids. Those are probably my top 3 that are on the website. So let me know yours down below. The next question is, which was the last Lush product you used? And oh, that's a hard one. I used some Sympathy for the Skin moisturiser this morning. I think that's it. I'm just looking around my room to see if I've like left anything out. I think that was it, the Sympathy for the Skin moisturiser, which I'm slowly trying to get through because I have so many moisturisers, but I really do like that one. It's got such a beautiful texture, so yeah. That was the last one. The next question is, what is your favourite shower gel that Lush have ever released? Now, I'm not going to say it. Comment down below. I'll give you a minute whilst I have a sip of my coffee to guess what my most loved shower gel is of all time. This is so good, by the way. I should be a barista, honestly. Okay, my most favourite shower gel is Plum Rain. However, if you guys put Twilight down below, I will allow you to have that point because I also love Twilight. However, I only ever use Twilight when I go to Disney, so that it's so like, I don't know, it just holds a special memory. So yeah, I love both of them. The next question is, what is the best morning/evening face mask? And obviously this is very different depending on how your skin is, but for my skin type, which is oily/combination, I really love cup of coffee in the morning and beauty sleep in the evening because it's just so relaxing, and obviously cup of coffee is so invigorating and amazing. So yeah, I would go for those two. And the last question that I'm going to answer today is, what would you like to get in the first and second Xmas kitchen box? Now, I feel like I've been living under a rock, because why is there 2 Christmas boxes? Do I pay for 2 Christmas boxes? Like, what is the situation with that? Can someone let me know down below, because I have no idea what that means. I mean, what would I like to get in them? Just the Christmas products. Everything. But I have no idea. So if anyone knows what's going on with that, let me know down below, because I'm absolutely clueless, honestly. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Obviously, don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram so you can take part in these videos. I will probably do another one of these in like September time, so that is the plan anyway. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that as well. I am very close to 9.3 thousand subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed, please do. It would make my day. And I also have a giveaway running right now, so make sure you enter that. I'm gonna go. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!